I'm so extra, but I love it. Hey guys, it's Allison and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you guys clicked on this video. So today I'm doing a pretty simple look with a little drama with the gel white eyeliner. But other than that, it's pretty simple. If you guys would like to learn how to recreate this look, then just stay tuned. So today we're going to be using Alamar Cosmetics palette. And we're going to be taking this Morphe M441 brush, especially a blending brush. I'm going to go in with this orange right here, Cocoa Taxi, and apply that to the crease and a little beyond that. So next I'm going to be taking my Morphe 573 brush, and this is basically a crease brush. I used it yesterday. It's kind of dirty. Oh well, it's fine. And I'm going to go into this color right here, this burnt orange color, and I believe this is the color Tropical, and we're going to put it in the crease. So I'm going to go back in with the M441 brush and just apply more of that Cocoa Taxi in this upper area. Then we'll take this Morphe blending brush from the Gummo collection and just blend those two colors together. So now I'm going to go on my Morphe 350M palette, and I'm going to go in with this light brown shade right here, a shade that I actually never touched, with the same brush M573, and just apply that to my outer crease. Then we're going to go with that dark brown, and we can just put that in our outer crease using the Morphe Y20 brush. I go back in with the M573 brush, which is my crease brush, and just blend that color out in my outer crease. So now that that's done, I'm going to take my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and this is in the shade Minor Sin, and just apply it to my inner corners. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe 124 brush, which is basically just a flat little brush, and take this La Costa and apply it to my inner lid. I dimmed my lights because it was too bright to actually see the color. And I'm just packing the color in. This brush is really dense and it's really good for packing on shadows, especially shimmer shadow. And I'm finally going to go back in with my M573 brush and just blend in all the colors together. So I'm going to take my In-Glot eyeliner in white and my E35 brush and just add a little detail to the eye. So the foundations I used today was by Maybelline Fit Me collection. This one was the 330 Toffee and Dewy Smooth, and then this one was the 355 Coconut and Matte and Poreless. So going with this color right here in my 120 brush, I'm going to add that to my lower lash line. And then going in with my G18 brush from Morphe, I'm going to go in with this color right here, this burgundy color, and smoke out my lower lash line. For my lips, I'm going to use a brown lip liner. It makes Ofra color liquid lipstick in Verona and the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo. And I'm going to set my face. If you thought this look was cute, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.